In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your Imou camera keeps going offline. The step number 1, check your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that your internet is actually stable and the router is powered on. Try connecting your phone to the same Wi-Fi to verify signal strength near the camera. So just actually connect your phone or computer to Wi-Fi and just go into, for example, Google or whatever site that you want to be able to try it on and see if it works. If it works, then we know that it's probably not a Wi-Fi issue itself. So if the signal is weak though, move the camera closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender to boost coverage. Step number 2, restart the camera. Unplug the power cable from the camera, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, plug it then back in and give it a time to reboot. Step number 3, check the power supply. Make sure the power adapter and cable are working properly. Try using a different power outlet or replacement cable if available. So step number 4, update the firmware. Open the Imou Live app, go to Settings, Device Info, Firmware version, and then if an update is available, tap on update and then follow the instructions after that. It's not going to be a lot of instructions. It's most likely going to be for you to confirm, most likely I think. And keeping firmware updated can actually fix those kind of bugs that cause disconnections, just so you know. Step number 5, reconnect the camera. If the Imou Live app, in the Imou Live app, remove the device, go to device settings, then click on remove device, re-add the device once again. Tap the plus icon, scan the QR code on the camera, and then follow the setup steps. Step number 6, disable power saving features. On some routers, power saving settings or AP isolation may limit connections, just so you know. Make sure your router allows constant connectivity for the camera. Step number 7, check your Wi-Fi band. Imou cameras typically work best with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If you're using a 5 GHz only, switch to a 2.4 GHz network or enable dual band mode. If you don't know exactly how to do this, you are not alone, of course. It's not the easiest thing in my opinion. You can always contact the customer support for your Wi-Fi company that you use for your Wi-Fi and ask them to help you to do this. Step number 8, factory reset the camera. Press and hold the reset button on the camera for about 10 to 15 seconds until it beeps. Reconnect it then to the Imou Live app from scratch and hopefully some of these steps will be able to fix this for you.